but a slow glowing dream that you're feeling